Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. She lived in a small village with her parents and her little brother Max. Lily was a happy child, always playing outside with her friends and helping her parents with the household chores. One day, while playing outside, Lily noticed a small butterfly struggling to fly. She picked it up gently and saw that it had a broken wing. Feeling sorry for the little creature, Lily decided to take care of it. She made a cozy bed for the butterfly in a small box and fed it with honey and sugar water. Days passed by, and the butterfly seemed to be getting better. Its wings had started to heal, and it could move around the box with ease. Lily was thrilled to see her little friend getting stronger by the day. She even gave it a name, Bella, which meant beautiful in her language. One day, Lily's mother came to her and told her that they had to move to a bigger town. Her father had found a new job there, and they would have to leave their village. Lily was sad to hear this news as she loved her village and her friends. But she knew that they had to move, and she couldn't do anything about it. Lily didn't want to leave Bella behind, so she asked her mother if she could take the butterfly with her. Her mother agreed, and Lily packed Bella's box carefully in her backpack. The journey to the new town was long and tiring. Lily and her family had to travel by bus and then by train to reach their destination. Bella was with them all along the way, and Lily took great care to ensure that her little friend was safe and comfortable. Finally, they reached their new home. It was a small apartment in a big building. Lily was excited to explore the new place, but she was also worried about Bella. She had never seen a butterfly in the city before, and she didn't know if it would be safe for Bella to fly outside. Days turned into weeks, and Lily and her family started to settle into their new life. Lily made some new friends in her new school, and she even found a small garden near their apartment where she could play and explore. Bella was doing well too. She had started to fly around in the small box, and Lily would often take her out for a walk in the garden. One day, while playing in the garden, Lily noticed that there were no flowers blooming. She asked her mother about it, and her mother told her that the city was not very green. There were not many gardens or parks, and most of the trees had been cut down to make way for buildings. Lily felt sad to hear this. She loved nature and the beauty of the outdoors. She didn't want to live in a place where there was no greenery. She decided to do something about it. Lily asked her mother if she could plant some flowers in the garden. Her mother agreed, and they went to the store to buy some seeds and pots. Lily was excited to start her new project. She planted the seeds carefully in the pots and watered them every day. She would talk to the plants and sing to them, hoping that they would grow faster. Bella would often sit on the plants and watch Lily work. Days turned into weeks, and the plants started to grow. They were small at first, but they grew taller and taller every day. Lily was thrilled to see her little garden come to life. The flowers started to bloom, and the garden was filled with colors and fragrance. Lily's little garden became the talk of the town. People would come from far and wide to see the beautiful flowers. Some even took pictures and posted them on social media. Lily became famous in the town for her green thumb, and people would often ask her for gardening advice. As Lily's garden grew, so did her love for nature. She started to read books about plants and animals and learned about the environment. She became aware of the problems facing the world, such as pollution and deforestation. And she wanted to do her part to help. Lily decided to start a campaign to raise awareness about the environment. She made posters and flyers and went around the town, telling people about the importance of protecting nature. She also organized a cleanup drive, where she and her friends collected garbage from the streets and parks. Lily's campaign was a success. People started to realize the impact they had on the environment and started to take steps to protect it. The city council even took notice and started to plant more trees and create more parks in the city. Years passed, and Lily grew up to be a young woman. She never forgot her love for nature and continued to work towards protecting it. She became an environmentalist and traveled the world, speaking at conferences and educating people about the environment. One day, while on a trip to a remote island, Lily saw something that broke her heart. She saw a beach covered in plastic waste. The sea was filled with garbage, and the animals were struggling to survive. Lily knew that she had to do something about it. She organized a beach cleanup drive, and people from the nearby villages joined in. They collected tons of garbage from the beach and the sea, and the beach was once again clean and beautiful. Lily's work did not go unnoticed. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for her efforts towards the environment. She became a role model for millions of people around the world. And her message of protecting nature spread far and wide. Lily never forgot her little friend, Bella, who had started her journey towards becoming an environmentalist. She knew that it was because of Bella that she had developed a love for nature, and she was grateful for that. Lily went back to her apartment and found the old box where Bella had once lived. She opened it, and Bella flew out, her wings strong and beautiful. Lily smiled at her little friend, knowing that Bella had played a big part in her life. From that day on, Lily and Bella would often go on walks in the garden, watching the flowers grow and the bees buzz around them. They would talk about the environment and how they could protect it. And Lily knew that, no matter where life took her, she would always have a friend in Bella and a love for nature that would never fade away. Lily continued her work as an environmentalist, traveling to different countries and speaking to people about the importance of taking care of our planet. She started a non-profit organization that focused on protecting endangered species and their habitats. She also wrote a book about her experiences and the lessons she had learned along the way. The book became a bestseller and inspired many people to take action and make a difference, but Lily's work wasn't always easy. She faced many challenges and obstacles along the way. Sometimes, people would criticize her and say that she was wasting her time. Other times, she would face resistance from government officials or corporations who didn't want to change their ways, but Lily never gave up. She knew that the work she was doing was important, and she was determined to make a difference. One day, Lily received a phone call from her hometown. The mayor was on the line, and he had some good news for her. The city council had decided to name a park after her in recognition of her contributions to the environment. Lily was touched and honored by the gesture. She decided to go back to her hometown for the park's opening ceremony. When she arrived, she was amazed by what she saw. The park was beautiful, with trees and flowers everywhere. There were benches and playgrounds, and a small lake where ducks and swans swam. Lily saw many familiar faces in the crowd, including some of her old classmates and teachers. They all congratulated her and thanked her for what she had done. As she walked around the park, Lily felt a sense of pride and joy. She had come a long way from the little girl who loved to play in the garden. She had become an environmentalist, an author, and a role model for others, but as she looked around, she also saw that there was still work to be done. There were still places in the world where nature was being destroyed and animals were suffering. Lily knew that she had to keep fighting for what she believed in, and so, she made a promise to herself and to the world. She promised to continue her work as an environmentalist, to inspire others to join her, and to never give up until our planet was safe for all living things. As she left the park, Lily felt a sense of hope and determination. She knew that the road ahead would be long and difficult, but she also knew that she was not alone. She had the support of her family, her friends, and millions of people around the world who shared her passion for the environment, and with that thought, Lily smiled and continued her journey, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead.